Just know, God, guys, we are all God's animals. And here, we gotta take care of them. We're all brothers and sisters with different parents. Eat, God's children, eat. Manja, manja. Today you feast. Tomorrow, we don't know. They like themselves some Ritz. We gotta go. I gave some to the crows. They had their full. They gave them the solid ones because they don't eat the crumbs. But looking here like, what's going on over here, man? It looks like a block party. Man, I feel like they're my pets. I hope they don't get sick. Well, the vet's expensive. The crow's saying, hey, I'm coming in, I'm getting something. That's scared shit.